Hi there, students. Cushy. Okay, cushy is an adjective meaning easy. Something that's not difficult. Something that you don't have to work hard at. So the first collocation is a cushy job. Do you have a cushy job? Probably not. There are very few cushy jobs. Yeah, so he has a cushy job. He sits around all day reading magazines and playing games on the internet. Yeah, cushy, easy, not difficult, comfortable. Um, One of the problems of people who live in the West is our lives are far too cushy. They're just too easy, which means we don't work for the things that we really want or need. Well, some people do. So something that's cushy makes few demands. It doesn't mean that you've got to endure hardship or difficulty. Yeah. So, what did you think of the test that the teacher gave us? It was cushy. It was easy. It wasn't difficult. You didn't have to think much to do it. Yeah. So a cushy race, an easy race. This race was cushy. It was easy. All the competitors were not very good. Yeah, his job is a cushy number, an easy number, something easy to do. People like cushy environments. They're very reluctant to move out of cushy environments. Um, some people say that we treat the unemployed too cushily. Yeah, they get cushy treatment. They get everything served to them on a plate. Maybe we make our kids' lives too cushy, too easy. I think maybe military service is not cushy, but it's a lot cushier than it used to be. We try to make our houses somewhere cushy to live, or maybe you've got a cushy armchair. I think you could probably say it's very comfortable. Yeah. This recipe is cushy. It's easy to make. Yeah, you're not going to have to think hard about it. Now, what I love is the etymology of this word cushy. When I first thought about making the video, I thought it was related to the word cushion. Well, maybe it is, but what they say is that cushion is actually related to coussin in French, a cushion, which comes from Latin coxinus, a seat or a pad. Well, apparently cushy comes from Indian, from Hindi. Yeah. Kusi, yeah, and that itself comes from Persian, koshi, meaning happiness. Also, we actually have this slang word in English, kushti, which means great, brilliant, and kushti is a Romany gypsy word meaning that's cool, that's brilliant. And I think this is probably related to it. Yeah, it also probably suggests that the gypsies came from India, which is what I've heard before. So, something that's cushy, something that makes few demands, something that's easy, it's not problematic. Yeah, a cushy job, a cushy life, a cushy exam, a cushy environment, to treat someone cushily. Yeah, not to be harsh on them. Okay, so cushy, easy, not problematic. And next question, how formal is this word cushy? I think for this is a cushy job, I'm going to give it a 4.5 in formality. You could definitely for an informal conversation. I think you could just about use it in a semi-formal writing, but don't use it in a formal writing. Yeah, it's to the informal side of things. Okay, so this is a cushy word for you to learn. Yeah. Okay, so anyway, enough. Cushy, easy, not difficult, not requiring hardship or hard work. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Cushy.